I know. I have my toe on it.
You know, I have a hammer.
I have a hammer. I just saw it earlier. Try and touch that corner?
Yeah, yeah.
That's like impossible.
That's your goal, though. You want to
hit his head.
It's not gonna hit his head. Don't do this. Don't jump off that balcony.
This is not what to do. Don't do this at home.
18 and up.
I think it's like a 21 and up.
Maybe come close.
I don't know. We'll look back at the footage. Touch that corner.
Go for it, man.
There's no way.
It doesn't matter. Go for it.